Hello friend, welcome to Pure Mathematics channel. It is pre-algebra class lecture 11. The title of this lecture is multiplying and dividing real numbers. In this lecture, I am going to teach you how to multiply and divide real numbers, those numbers which they have sign, positive sign or negative sign. First, we have to know the product and dividing of signs, positive signs and negative signs, positive sign and negative sign. Product of signs. If we multiply same sign, positive with positive, plus with plus, if we multiply these two things, these two signs, the result will be plus. Negative, it is equal to positive. Positive into negative, it is equal to negative. Negative into positive, it is equal to negative. They are same sign, same sign. They are different sign. Different signs. The product of same signs, it will be positive. The product of different signs will be negative. One things plus, multiply by plus, and so on. It is equal to plus. Negative, multiply by negative, and so on. It is equal to 2. Positive. If the number of negative be even. 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. If we have 8 sign minus, then the result will be positive. Negative if the number of minus be odd. If we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 negative, when they multiply by, together, the result will be minus, negative. It was the rule of product of signs. Dividing of signs. Positive divided by positive, it is equal to positive. Minus divided by minus, it is equal to positive. Positive divided by minus, it is equal to minus. Minus divided by positive, it is equal to minus. It is the rule of dividing signs. Or positive divided by positive, it is equal to positive. Minus divided by minus, it is equal to minus. Positive. Positive divided by minus, it is equal to minus. Minus divided by positive, it is equal to minus. It is the rule of dividing of signs. Now here we have to, we want to write these two rules. If two numbers, if two numbers with same sign, if two numbers with have same sign, their product or quotient will be positive. Their product or quotient is positive. Positive. Example, plus 8 multiplied by plus 2, it is equal to 16. First we multiply sign. Plus multiplied by plus, it is plus. 8 multiplied by 2, it is 16. Minus 8 multiplied by minus 2, it is equal to multiplied by minus multiplied by minus, it is equal to positive. 8 multiplied by 2, 16. We can write also positive as you want. Now minus positive 8 divided by positive 2, it is equal to positive 4. Positive divided by positive, it is equal to positive. 8 divided by 2, it is equal to 4. Minus 8 divided by minus 2, it is equal to plus minus divided by minus plus 8 divided by 2, 4. It was the rule, the first rule, if two numbers have the same sign, have the same sign here, have the same sign, their product or quotient is positive. Example, plus 8 into plus 2, it is equal to plus 16. Minus 8 into minus 2, it is equal to plus 16. 8 plus 8 divided by plus 2, it is equal to plus 4. Minus 8 divided by minus 2, it is equal to plus 4. Second rule, if number 2 if two numbers have different signs, then the product and quotient is negative. negative. Is negative. Example number 1. Plus 12 multiplied by minus 3, it is equal to plus multiplied by minus, it is equal to minus 12 multiplied by 3, 36. Number 2, minus 4 multiplied by minus 6 plus 6, it is equal to plus multiplied by minus, minus 4 multiplied by 6, 24. Number 3, plus 12 divided by minus 3, it is equal to plus divided by minus, minus 12 divided by 4 by 3, the result is 4. Number 4, minus 12 divided by plus 3, it is equal to minus plus divided by plus, it is equal to minus 12 divided by 3, number 4. It is the simple rule of product and dividing, of multiplying and dividing of real numbers. Here we want to solve some more example about this title. Example, solve the following problems. Plus 7 multiplied by minus 3, number 1. It is equal to plus multiplied by minus, it is equal to minus 7 multiplied by 3, 21. Minus multiplied by minus, plus 8 multiplied by 5, 40. Minus divided by plus, minus 18 divided by 3, 6. Plus divided by minus, minus 15 divided by 5, 3. Minus multiplied by minus, positive. Plus 4 by 5. We use the fraction rule, the dividing of fraction rule. Divided, change it by multiplication. The next fraction will be change it to its inverse. 5 by 8. Here 5 by 5 cancel, it is equal to positive. 4 by 8 cancel, it is equal to 1 by 2. Number 6, minus first we want to change this number to the fraction that it has it is a fraction. We want to change it. Minus 4 divided by 9 multiplied by 4, 36. 36 plus 1, 37. 37 divided by 4. It is equal to minus 4, minus divided by plus, minus 4 by 1 multiplied by 4 by 37. We change it, we write the inverse of this fraction. We change this division by multiplication and change it the fraction, next fraction, as its opposite. It is equal to minus multiplied by minus by plus, minus 4 multiplied by 4, 16. 1 multiplied by 37, 37.